Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support me. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy, delicious white soup, insala soup that you see here. This recipe is very easy and well detailed. So if you want to know how I made this, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients to you guys. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment, okay? And also please do not skip my ad. Always watch my ad. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare my salad soup. I have chicken and cow skin here. That's pomo and my chicken. I have my dried fish and my oyaya. This is a pepper soup spice too. It's called Oda in Igbo and oyaya in Calabar. I have my crayfish. I'm using yellow and red Scotch bonnet pepper. And then I have my salad spice. You can use pepper spice. I have my seasoning cube, and for my seasoner I'm using yam. So guys, let's start cooking our protein now. That's the chicken and the momo. So guys, I will start now by cooking my protein. I'm using chicken and cow skin. You can use any protein of your choice, but chicken is best recommended for this recipe. I'll be seasoning now with my seasoning cube. I'm using no chicken for this. I'll go in with my pepper. That's my red and yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not adding salt. I didn't add salt and onions to this. I'm not going to add water. I'll just stir this, cover the pot, and allow the chicken to steam, okay? This so the chicken can cook well and bring out its own juice. We are building flavor for our insala stew. So guys, our chicken has been cooking now for 3 minutes, and I'm just going to stir this around. The juice you see is from the chicken. I didn't add any water to this. So I'm just going to add water enough to cook my chicken. The cow skin is already pre-cooked, so it's not strong. I'll be going in with my yam. So guys, I'll just cover this pot and allow it to cook until the yam is cooked, okay? Our yam is ready now. I'll just bring it out and use my blender to blend. You can use your food processor, you can use your mortar to blend this, okay? It works perfectly fine. So now I'll be going in with my crayfish. I'll add in my salad spice. You can use pepper soup spice. It's almost the same thing. I'm going to add in my udder now. And then I'll go in with enough water for my soup. Okay, the quantity of water you add is depending on the amount of soup that you are making. I'll add in my dried fish. I'm going to cover this pot now and allow it to cook while I go ahead to blend my yam. So guys, it's time for me to add in my yam. I tested for salt and it needs some adjustments, so I'm just going to be adding in a little bit of salt to this. I've not added salt before. And then I'm going to stir this around to properly combine. I'll be adding in my yam now. The amount of yam you add to your nsala soup depends on how thick you want your nsala soup. So guys, I'm going to cover this pot now, allow this to cook until the yam completely dissolves inside the soup. If you have watched me up to now and you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So guys, our soup has been cooking and the yam is not dissolved yet. It's not completely dissolved. I'll go ahead now to remove my udder because of course it has finished its duty here. So I'll remove my udder now. I'm going to cover this pot, allow this to cook for extra 5 minutes and then we will come back. Five minutes later, this is what our soup is looking like. The yam has completely dissolved. Guys, our soup is almost ready. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Please subscribe and like, okay? Do not forget to share and leave a very sweet comment for me in the comment section. So I'll go ahead now to add in my vegetable. That's my uziza leaf. I'm using uziza leaf for this. And then at this point your soup is ready. I'm just going to stir this and then bring it down. Guys, this soup came out so yummy, like so delicious. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And please like the video, give it a comment, share and subscribe, okay? And please guys, do not skip my ad. Always watch my ads. That's another way you can support your girl. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this yummy delicious soup with. For me, I'll be having it with fufu. I'll be having mine with fufu. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come here next time, stay safe, Bye.